I've spent a solid chunk of time using M1 Finance this year, and if you've been hunting for a modern portfolio platform that merges robo-advisor simplicity with self-directed flexibility, you've probably run into it. With custom pies, dynamic rebalancing, and fee-free investing, it feels like a next-gen tool. But after putting it to the test, here's my first-hand take on what really works and what holds it back. M1 Finance starts with the concept of pies. You build or choose your own investment buckets, pies, each made of slices. Think individual stocks, ETFs, or even crypto. It's a visual, intuitive way to design your portfolio. You fund your account, and M1 auto-invests in fractional shares until every dollar is allocated. No idle cash, just continuous deployment. Dynamic rebalancing ensures your holdings stay on target as markets move and you deposit more. There's also the borrow feature, offering margin loans at relatively low rates, and a spend account with a debit card that dumps idle cash into your investment pie when you don't need it. All compelling moves toward integrating banking and investing. Pricing breakdown. M1's core investing is free, no commission, no minimums, and automatic rebalancing comes standard. The M1 Plus tier, around $24 per year, adds bonus features, early trading windows, interest on cash, smart transfers, and a line of credit option with insurance perks. These extras are thoughtful, but only make a meaningful difference if you're maximizing automation and margin liquidity. What stood out? Hands-off yet customizable. M1 uniquely blends self-directed control with robo-advisor automation. Build your pie, set it, and let it run. No manual rebalancing or fiddling every month. Clean UI and mobile-first design. Everything is sleek and intuitive. Setting allocations, making deposits, or reviewing performance all feel modern and fluid. Smart portfolio building tools. Ready-made expert pies, e.g. tech ETFs, dividend growth, inflation hedge, help advisors orient strategy without sacrificing personalization. Where it falls short. Bill pay and cash logistics are a work in progress, while rerouting idle cash into investments is handy. Lack of traditional banking features like automatic bill payments or two-step logic forcing specific cash needs can feel restrictive. No advanced trading or tax strategies. If you're into options, advanced order types, or granular tax loss harvesting, M1 doesn't serve those use cases. Liquidity lag. Deposits are locked until markets open, so funds are parked for hours or even days. For reactive investors, that latency is frustrating. M1 Finance truly shines when you want a passive, visually elegant, and customizable portfolio and don't want to babysit your investments. It's perfect for goal-based savers, part-time investors, or anyone who appreciates a clean, automated design. If you value active trading, deeper tax strategies, or comprehensive banking, you may find it too restrained. But if simplicity with power is your goal, M1 stands out as a rare modern platform. If this review helped you, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the one investing feature you wish your platform had? I'd love to help find your ideal fit next time.